Welcome to my channel. Today I made a playing card shuffler that I found on Makerworld, created by Josh 3D. Here I start assembling the 3D print. Everything needed for assembly was conveniently listed in the instructions on the print page, and there was also a ready-made package available for purchase if you want to be sure you get the right parts. Now it's time for the side wings of the card shuffler, or what would you call them? Now comes the cover. Now let's put the O-rings on the drive drums, after which they can be installed in place. The installation kit also included bearings, which are to be installed at the ends of the drive drum shafts. Next, install the wheels and the crank that turns them. All of these need bearings, and I also put some super glue on the crank. I also glued the car holders to the sides. All set. Next we could try how well this shuffles the cards. This works well. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video. If you have any video suggestions, we are happy to hear them.